Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. Now in example 2, all they're asking us to do is to use a data set, in this case the histogram, and provide a probability distribution. For a probability distribution, we just have to express the data in this form. You have one column for the x's and then the other column for the probabilities. For this problem, we're actually already given the x's. In this case, the actual title of the probability distribution would be number of children and then we technically have two columns, one for the x and then one for the probability associated with each of the values. Your x's are going to go from 0 to 8. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then the probabilities, it's going to be, well, each of the actual values that's appearing on the histogram. So for the first one, it's going to be 0.273, followed by 0.16, so 0.160, 0.244, 0.154, 0.082, 0.039, 0.020, 0.011, and then 0.017. That's actually it for the probability distribution. Let me check the values, but I think we're matching on all of them. You're pairing up pretty much each of the x's, which represent number of children, with the probability given on each of the events. For the second portion, they just want us to evaluate the probability that a subject is going to have two kids in this case, and we're just looking at this is x is equal to 2, and the outcome is the 0.244. So for this one, we would say that this is 0.244. And that's actually it. Evaluating probabilities from the table, you're just obtaining the one that belongs. In this case, this is 2, and then we're looking at 0.244. That's actually it for this problem.